Behind our legendary product quality is the power of science. Our creativity paves the way for us for the bright future. At the Great Wall, we've all won our reputation for the China creation. We manufacture each and every car with a rigorous scientific approach. At the Great Wall, each and every car is thoroughly tempered before delivery. One after another achievements are accumulated in our constant efforts in perfecting our skills and technology, and our practical and prudent style of work surely turns out to be state-of-the-art products with an outstanding quality. By using the world-advanced styling system, we have been able to realize the free conversion of any two-dimensional prints, three-dimensional values, as well as any real vehicle models, in order to create and realize countless incredible ideas. At the reverb and silence chamber for automotive parts and components, which is unique in China, professional signal acquisition system helps us in tracking down the silencer values of different component parts without least omission, bringing to a quite domestic world in the vehicle. At the largest crash test center in China, Great Wall scientists have built a mathematical model, performing sophisticated calculations to estimate the deformation coefficient of different materials after collision. By referencing the results of the real collision each time, we have been able to ensure our utmost care to the safety of human life. With the help of various instrument and testing equipment, Great Wall has also successfully simulated the environment in the plateau, high temperature, and alpine areas. Combining the actual measurement data arrived all the way along such areas, the scientists performed repeated adjustment and calculation in the hardship and has built the Great Wall motors as a reliable car of excellent performance under various extreme conditions. Numerous precision facilities and rigorous scientific attitude has redoubled the advantages of the Great Wall motors, making it a symbol of quality of the China creation. Wingle pickup and Havel SUV are sold to over 100 countries and regions of the world and succeeded in one after another competition against the world's leading brands. Scientific concept with creativity help us improve our products to a state-of-the-art level. At Great Wall, hundreds of scientists and engineers from around the world are engaged in their creative efforts in automotive research and development areas, striving to make the Great Wall motors as a top-quality car, combining the contemporary scientific achievements. To address the pressure of the global energy crisis, scientists at Great Wall independently developed a new petrol engine of small displacement with big horsepower. By using a series of high-speed sensors to track down the instantaneous combustion of engine, we have been able to explore the maximum efficiency for each drop of fuel. With perfect match of the high and low pressure turbochargers, a stable high torque power is generated to give you an extraordinary pleasure from your driving experience. On application of direct injection of high pressure fuel to the combustion chamber with the precision fuel injection control, a considerable improvement in the fuel efficiency is therefore realized. In order to keep forever blue the ocean and sky of our planet, Great Wall is actively involved in the green research activities, where the development of hybrid and pure electric power systems become increasingly mature, and Great Wall battery-powered cars shall be driving into a future life soon. In order to enjoy the latest developments of artificial intelligence, Great Wall has actively maintained a pool of top-caliber talents of various fields and has successfully applied sophisticated technologies in the manufacturing process, which makes it possible for such colorful high-tech convenience to always stay with you. The EU, which is strict, was convinced before one after another technical advancement of us, and Great Wall has become the first Chinese brand that acquired the EU type approval for road vehicles, which means an expansion of the Chinese technology in the birthplace of the automotive industry. The forward-looking technology drives Great Wall to the bright future. The future of the world belongs to the China creation and belongs to the ambitious Great Wall. Great Wall, which represents the newest concept of China creation, shall develop beyond the automotive manufacturing activities. Such a newest concept shall blueprint the future automotive world. Drivers are thoroughly emancipated from the simple mechanical labor. You and your family are fully protected for your safety with the use of new materials. The energy issue is no longer an obstacle to the development of the automotive industry. Everyone's dream for the car comes true. New concept emerges in endless succession, and the scientific and technological capacity of the Great Wall brings full of hope for future. The dream comes true for Great Wall, for the creation of China, and for our wonderful future perspective. Great Wall Motors, creation of China.